Thousands of COVID-19 vaccines made by Pfizer are already in the hands of hospitals across the country.
Several Atlanta hospitals got their first shipments today, including Emory, Grady, Wellstar, and the Children's Hospital of Atlanta. Governor Brian Kemp praising the arrival of the vaccine, but says he will wait to take his turn to take it.
Great confidence. I'm going to get the vaccine just as soon as I'm eligible and people think it's a good idea for me to do it.
Healthcare workers in long-term care facilities are a priority for the vaccine, but Governor Kemp says Georgia is one of many states that won't be receiving the original amount promised from the federal government.
And this comes as Georgia nears 500,000 infections, including nearly 6,000 today alone. CBS 46's Megan Packer covering the vaccine rollout.
More and more Metro Atlanta frontline workers are now vaccinated, including a group we saw receive the vaccine here at Piedmont Rockdale Hospital.
It's a long time coming.
Healthcare workers from Piedmont Newton and Piedmont Rockdale hospitals are relieved this day is here. These 5 rolled up their sleeves outside, while inside 95 of their colleagues were also vaccinated. The doses donated by the Gwinnett, Newton, and Rockdale County Health Departments to get the ball rolling until the hospital receives its own shipment.
I feel like this is my way of supporting my coworkers also, the nurses in the ER and the nurses in the ICU who are facing it every single day, and I see the things that they're going through, walking through the hospital.
It's been exhausting for this group, and they say this vaccine is a step in the right direction.
A lot of my colleagues have come down with it and gotten better, but we don't know. It's like playing Russian roulette. Who's going to get better and who's not? We have colleagues that haven't gotten better.
Just knowing how hard my coworkers are working, really, and for me, when people say, oh, thank you for being on the front lines, I'm like, no, I'm not even anywhere close as a neonatal intensive care nurse. It's really the ICU nurses, the ER nurses.
It was clear this was emotional for some of these frontline workers. They said they want to get the shot to protect their families and their colleagues who work so hard day in and day out inside the walls of this hospital. In Rockdale County, I'm Megan Packer, CBS 46 News.
Thanks, Megan.